Okay, so hello everyone again. We will start our lesson now, and it's very nice to see you in this new year, and I hope it will be good year for you. I wish you good year 2022, and we will start with my presentation. So I will share the screen with you now. Okay, so let me do this. Okay. Okay, I hope that you can hear the sounds too. Okay. Okay, so it should be okay now. All right. We will see this page in the later part of our lesson, but we will start with this one. Okay. Okay. So it goes like this. Okay. Okay, so we've got our fourth lesson, IT lesson. I would like to show you something new that you can use in your life, and because all of Mevludiye is joining us. Hello, Mevludiye. Because all of us use computers nowadays. We will talk about something very useful, but first I would like to congratulate Khadija. Well done, it's your homework. I asked you to make an e-card for Christmas or for New Year. So thank you for this card. I really appreciate. So congratulations, Khadija. Okay, and I like this snowman very much, and so smiling one. So I hope the whole year will be with a smile. Okay, I would like to talk about. Sorry, I will go back. Different methods of writing. As you can see, there are 5 methods of writing. Okay, so Zhenya, could you write the names of these methods? Could you read them? Okay, Zhenya.
Writing, texting, emailing, typing, touch typing.
Yes, thank you very much. Okay, so we've got these 5: writing, texting, emailing, typing, touch typing. Okay, so what do you know about them? Can you give me some, can you tell me something about them? Give me some info. What is it? Writing, texting, emailing, typing, touch typing. In this first form, we could say handwriting. Okay, so it will be easier. Handwriting, yes. What is handwriting? What do you think? Or maybe you can say something about texting or emailing or typing. How do we text? How do we email? How do we type? How do we handwrite?
We type with the keyboard.
Yes, we use keyboard. Do we use key? Okay. What do we use? We use keyboard for what types of writing? Okay, maybe some students too. Okay, maybe I will start with something else. Texting is also called SMSing. What do we use to send text messages or SMS messages? What do we use? Do we use a keyboard, or maybe we use something else? Do you use computer to send SMS or text? Okay, so if you don't know, this lesson will be more interesting for you, and you can learn something. So we will start with the simplest one, writing, or we can say handwriting. So when we handwrite, we write with a pen or pencil on a piece of paper like this, like you can see in this picture. And then we've got another type, texting or SMSing. When we use a smartphone or a phone, we can send someone a text message or an SMS message. And usually English and English people and Americans use this text. They say, I am texting. People who learn English usually say, I am SMSing, yes, or sending an SMS message. So it can be interesting too for you. The next type, do you remember what was the next type?
Handwriting.
There was handwriting before, yes. And next one, we use a keyboard to do this. We write a message, but using a keyboard, and we send this. It's not a text or SMS because it's usually longer. It's an email, yes. So we can send an email to somebody. Do you use emails? Do you write emails to somebody? No, probably. And do you use smartphones to send SMS messages?
Of course.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. I think that everyone uses this, but you are a little bit shy to say it. Okay. And we've got different kind of writing. It's typing. So we use a machine to write, and for example, a computer keyboard. Here, this keyboard is in a laptop. So we type. Sometimes we use only two fingers, yes, two pointing fingers, to write on the keyboard. But we can also use a special method. Look here, it's called touch typing. So you don't look at the keyboard. You've got, as you can see, fingers are in different colors, and each color is for different finger. Yes. So space bar is purple, and you can see thumbs are purple too. These two fingers. Now we've got how many keys are orange? How many keys as letters or numbers or signs are for a finger that is orange? How many keys?
8.
8, okay. And now tell me, what letters do we write with left hand with green finger to make it easier? Okay. Okay. So left hand is for 4 keys, number 2 and @ sign, but we've got also 3 letters. What are these letters? Green letters on the left side. W, S, and X, okay? And as you can see, our little fingers, there are so many keys for them, yes? how many keys of right little finger, blue one, right blue finger? How many keys? Can you count how many?
25, maybe.
Not so much, not so much. 15, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got the 0, minus, plus, slash, arrow. Yes, that means delete. We've got letter P, brackets, semicolon, quote, enter, question mark, shift, and control also. And to other and tell me, look that this keyboard is for English language, yes? So we can see English, the letters that are in English alphabet. So your keyboards are probably a little bit different, or you use some other or you use some of these keys for your letters that are in your alphabets. Like in Polish, we've got also other letters. And I would like to show you the page that you can learn this touch typing skill. Okay, so this is the page, and we will open it. And this is a course in touch typing for children, for British children. They use this course at school. Okay, and it's called, this is the funny name, Done Smart Touch Typing. Okay, and you will go down, and I would like to show you, we've got, look how many levels have we got. Look. Oh, sorry, we have to wait for a page to download. And look how many levels have we got. Can you see how many levels? We've got level 1 here, level 2. When there are pictures, you can see how many levels. You can see it here or here. 4 levels, yes. At each level, there are some stages, we can call them lessons. And tell me how many stages are at each level. Here, how many stages at each level? 1, 2, 3. 3 stages at each level. So we've got 3 levels, 4 levels, sorry, 3 stages at each level. So in total, we've got 12 stages, or we can say 12 lessons. I like this course very much because it makes fun with writing, and I would like to show you how to start. Yes, and I would like to show you what makes this course funny for me. And as you can see, at stage 1, you've got so many letters. So, but then at stage 2 and 3, you introduce only 2 extra letters. At next stages, there are two letters for a stage. Here 2 and shift keys. So you learn how to type capital letters, big letters. Yes. And now we will go to the course. We open level 1. We played because it's constructed as a game. And each stage, each lesson has got different host, different animal. So stage number 1 is a goat, as you can see. Stage number 2 is an octopus. So a sea animal with 8 tentacles. We can say hands. And then lesson stage 3, there is a rooster. who helps us to learn how to write. So we go to stage 1, and you can't use it on your smartphone. You have to use a laptop or a normal computer with a screen and laptop. So we press spacebar. It's loading. It takes some time. Okay, so be patient. You have to wait a moment.
Hi there, rock and rollers. We're going to have us a blast. Got those tapping feet on the ground? Then we're ready to rock and roll.
Follow Gary's instructions to learn
Sorry.
the moves you'll need for typing. Look at the records on the bottom bar to see how far through
Sorry,
you are.
everyone. Okay, so we are here.
First, kids, find me 2 keys, F and J, each with a bump.
Okay, sorry for this. There was some.
Left pointing finger on the F.
Okay.
Type an F.
Okay, so there is a lag, but don't worry, we can do something about it. Okay, so maybe I'll use this home, and I'll open home row again. And don't worry that you do not understand everything. It's difficult, but there are a lot of pictures, so you can understand what to do, because pictures can help you to know what you have to do. Maybe I will close this page to make it easier. Oh, sorry, I wanted to close the other page to make it easier for us. To make it faster, but okay, so the first 1, 2, 3, we can try 3 times. I hope it will work this time with no problems.
Hi there, rock and rollers. We're going to have us a blast. Got those tapping feet on the ground? Then we're ready to rock and roll.
Follow Gary's instructions to learn the moves you'll need for typing. Look at the records on the bottom bar to see how far through you are.
First, kids, find me 2 keys, F and J, each with a bump.
Okay, so you've got to find
left pointing finger on the F. Type an F.
So we need F and J. I will. So these 2, F and J, here and here. Find these keys. There are these bumps. Look here, like a bump. You can feel it. Okay, have you got it? F and J. Yes, you put your fingers here and here. These 2 fingers, pointing fingers. Right finger and left finger. Okay, and now we press it. Yes. Okay, something is lagging, so it doesn't work now. Maybe it's because of the slow internet. Maybe there are some problems now. Okay, so I will try the last time. Maybe with other lesson to show you how does it work. To see also different animals. Okay, so we will take something. Okay, so sorry. Okay, once again. If it doesn't work, I will show you something else. Yes, because there are Okay, so it always takes a moment. So we've got three animals: hippo, a kind of worm, I don't know, this green, maybe insect, and we've got flamingo. What animal do you want me to choose? Hippo, this green one, alien, or maybe a flamingo? 4, 5, or 6? Tell me which one you want me to choose. Okay, anyone, you can decide. Zhenya, will you help me? Okay, so I will choose flamingo. As you can see, it looks differently. And always you have to wait a moment. It's loading a moment because it's quite heavy. But then there is a lot of fun.
Welcome, my fellow nosy honkers. I see you've just landed in my lovely lagoon.
Follow Franca's instructions to learn the moves you'll need for typing. Look at the snails on the bottom bar to see how far through you are.
Are your strumming fingers ready? Chest in, hold your head up high and lay those fingers on the home keys.
Okay, so we put our fingers on the keys as it showed in the picture. Yes, look at the fingers and at the keys. Okay, it's like I don't know, it doesn't work properly. But I will ask you to use the first lesson as your homework. And now I would like to show you something else. Because we can also learn touch typing in our own languages. For example, we can write touch typing in Turkish. Yes, touch typing in Turkish online, free, so you don't have to pay for this. Let's look if we've got some pages. Okay, as you can see, you've got English. Okay, so you can use your own language, yes, because I can see only English, but I will show you Polish, yes. Sorry, Polish. Okay, so I will. We've got kurs szybkiego pisania na klawiaturze, but maybe I will use simply Polish, so you can see how we write, what are the symbols in Polish. Kurs online za darmo, so it means free. Okay, it's loading for a moment. There are some ads. We go down and we can choose this one. Okay, so internet is a bit slow today. And we've got the course. Okay, so there is lesson number 1. 2 and 3. So there are basic exercises. And look, when you write, when you type, yes, you can see. You look at the letters. You don't look at the key. And look down. It shows what finger you have to use. Yes, so to write letter English letter A, you have to use small finger, and to write space, to type space, you have to use your thumb. Yes, look here, and I will move it so you can see. Okay, and this is space bar, so you can see what keys you have to use, and you can do this quite quickly. Yes, and you can go to the next. So for us, this is this finger and this key. Yes, and we type letter S. If we've got a mistake, it's in different color. It's red, so I have to delete it and go back. And when I do not know what to do, I can look here, right hand or left hand. Oh, it's here, this thumb, so I can use this. Okay, and learn how to type quite quickly. Now we change the finger. Letter D is typed with this key, and it is left hand and the middle finger. Okay, D D D D D D space D D D space D D space D D D space D D D D D. Okay, and so on. As you can see, there are 3 or 4 letters or 2 letters. Okay, and the rhythm is very important. Okay, so your homework, because we have to finish a little bit. Sorry that I couldn't show you the whole page because it's very interesting. But I will send you the link because I would like you to go to the page when you can find the course, and please do stage 1, and I will show you this picture again. So tell me, maybe you can touch type. Can you touch type? Can you touch type? Yes or no? Okay, I can't hear anyone. We will talk about it. We will meet in the chat, so we will talk more about it. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So, did you learn something? Something new? Is it interesting or not? Maybe this way. Żenia, is it interesting or not?
Yes.
Yes, interesting for you. Okay, Andrew, did you like it? Okay, Andrew can't use his microphone. Maybe Hatija, did you like the lesson? Did you learn something new? Okay, you are shy a little bit.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Hatija, that you spoke to me. Okay, so we will finish our online meeting now, and we will meet on the chat. I will send you there a link to our homework, but I will also put it in the forum of IT lesson. So see you in the chat. Okay.
Thank you, Adriana.
Thank
It was
you.
quite informative. This is the first time that I'm learning about touch typewriting.
Oh,
I'm going to have a look.
it's quite,
Yeah,
it's
thank you.
very useful in
Yeah,
teacher's
I
job,
think so.
but also in students' job. I recommend it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so goodbye, everyone. I will finish our meeting here. See you.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you in the chat. Goodbye.